Are you like me? If so, then you're probably obsessed with post-apocalyptic themes. So, it's understandable that after just a few minutes into the first episode, I was hooked on The Last of Us. And Pedro Pascal, who plays Joel, is actually wearing this exact jacket from Huckberry in the show. I also found the watch. Yeah, that watch. I found it, kind of. So stick around and let me show you how to dress like our favorite post-apocalyptic badass. Now, we, or I guess, only know the brand of one specific item that Joel is wearing in The Last of Us, and that is this jacket from Huckberry. This is the Flint and Tinder waxed canvas trucker jacket. This rugged jacket seems to be a staple piece in the show, and for pretty good reason. Not only is this jacket made in the USA, but it's sourced with waxed and weather-resistant Martexan 7-ounce sailcloth from New Jersey. The shell is waxed on both sides to aid not only in weatherproofing, but insulation as well. The interior features a super warm, comfortable blanket lining with a slim, tailor fit. The waxed trucker jacket is the one piece that you absolutely need to complete your Joel look. No other brand, no other jacket is gonna work, because we already know this was his choice. Now, moving on, but staying up top, we have the denim button-up that Joel wears underneath his trucker jacket. I don't know the brand, but I do know that my recommendation is this. This is the Flint and Tinder Denim Expedition work shirt in light wash. Made from 100% cotton denim, this work shirt is made to resemble heritage silhouettes and is dyed with a real indigo that will fade over time, matching the patina of your jacket. With a regular fit, I would recommend keeping your normal size when ordering. And it is literally so buttery soft. Now, we can be absolutely sure that Joel is on top of 2023 fashion trends, because the trend this year is predicted to be denim on denim. So with that, you need a pair of jeans that are rugged, they're gonna stretch, they are so soft. These are the Flint and Tinder everyday stretch denim jeans in slim fit. Made with a super durable 13.5-ounce denim fabric. These tailor fit jeans will not only last, but they are so soft, and they hold their shape literally all day. I haven't washed these jeans in like a week, and I've been wearing them every single day, and every day they still fit just like when I got them. Okay, next up we have the boots. Now, I know that my recommendation doesn't necessarily match in color, because Joel in the show wears a very dark pair of worn-in brown boots. I would assume that Joel would have at least 3 requirements for the boots that he did choose though. They would need to be warm, they would need to be waterproof, and they would need to be comfortable and versatile to walk all over the place. So, my recommendation is the Huckberry Danner collab on the 917 Logger boots. And I do have a full review on these that I'll put in the link card above. But these lightweight boots are probably my most worn shoes. I love going for walks in these because with the Vibram outsoles, I've never had a more comfortably versatile boot in my entire life. If you don't like these though, Huckberry has a ton of options, and my other recommendations are down below, but seriously, you should check these out. Okay, you know I had to save the best for last. The famous watch. And I probably spent a total of like 7.5 hours searching everywhere to find this watch. Well, I found it. Kind of. So, in 2015, an LA watchmaker named Meister Watches collaborated with Sony on an official The Last of Us limited 1,000 piece run. And within a few hours, they completely sold out. And now there's one for sale. It can be yours for the one-time price of $10,000 if you don't get outbid. What's the alternative? Well, it doesn't really matter. The reason it doesn't matter is because Joel's watch is sentimental to him. And with it being an imaginative design by Naughty Dog, it's not created after a legitimate brand. They did that on purpose. So what's the alternative? Well, I think that there would be a few requirements that Joel would have for a watch. It would need to have a power source that's readily available and easy to do. So changing batteries or plugging it into charge is a no-go. So I've decided that the Timex Expedition Solar Watch was the best choice for me. You could nail it to a tree, you could hang it from something, you could set it on a rock, and as long as the sun is still rising, you technically have a power source. You get a screw-down crown with 100 meters of water resistance, a sapphire crystal, and a stainless steel case. At 36 millimeters, this watch with its black dial is perfect for me. I have links down below for the watch and the strap, but I also have links down below for my other recommendations as well. Things like Hamilton to Citizen to Lumino. But in the end, wear what you can afford, wear what is quality for the price, and wear whatever you like. Because I really think if Joel was a real person, he's not gonna care about brands. He's gonna care about what keeps him alive from the time he wakes up till the time he wakes up. Now, obviously, you could source this outfit from wherever you want, wherever you can afford. I chose Huckberry because that's literally the one branded thing that I know Pedro is wearing in the show as Joel. And I think if I keep it as close to the source as possible, it's only going to be more authentic, right? And I'm only going to put a brand on my channel if I know that the materials they produce are high quality, are going to be worth spending your money on, and are ones that I have personally tested. And Huckberry absolutely is not only one of my favorite brands to work with, but they just pump out such high quality products that I can't help but to recommend them as much. This video though, why are you not subscribed? And if you are subscribed, thank you. I'd like to see you in the comments down below. Let's get into some discussion. What do you agree with? What do you disagree with?